Here's a look at the dollar index on the 4-hour time frame, and as you can see, we have in fact touched that 92.80 level that I was looking for. Went below it just a few ticks down to around 95.70 or 92.76, excuse me. And from that point, you can see the RSI was extremely oversold, and as expected, the bulls came in again and started buying up. Shorts started covering, and the RSI is still hovering around 59. Presently just shy of 93 as we start heading into the next session. Looking at things on a daily time frame basis as far as the trend now, what I would expect here is a bounce off of this trend line here and the bulls to take the price action back up to around 94, potentially even reaching as high as 94.30 before we see more bearishness potentially come into play. If we break that 94.30, then we'll be looking at a move up to 95, and then from there we'll be looking at the resumption of the trend to the downside. So not much has changed other than the fact that we have in fact finally hit that level that I was looking for, that 92.80 level. We've closed the gap, which is good. Now we do have to go upwards here and start closing the gaps above, and that'll take us to around 94 to 94.30. From there, it'll be a question of if we can break that 94.30 area. If we do, then obviously we'll be heading up to 95 and then most likely coming back to 94, trending in this area again, and then seeing what happens from there. But overall, I'm expecting price action to start fizzling out as we get closer to this trend line here. Again, this is a major trend line. Just going back for quite some time now, as you can see that it has been an area to watch for. And look at our RSI on the daily time frame. I mean, we are kind of beaten down, pretty much down to where we were back here and here, just a few points above. But in either case, I am expecting that the price action should hold this area and at least come back up to 93.80 or so, potentially reaching up as high as 94.30.